Imagine making money while chilling at home by just clipping videos you're already watching. No fancy skills, no big investment, and you could start earning your first dollar online this week. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money with clipping using Whop. We'll cover what clipping is, how to find clients, how to deliver your work, and how to get paid efficiently. Watch until the end for a proven strategy that will help you land your first client on Whop even if you're a complete beginner. First, let's talk about what is clipping. Clipping means cutting engaging moments from longer videos for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Creators need clips to grow on short form platforms but don't have time to do it themselves. You help them by finding high moment segments, adding captions, and resizing them for short form. You can do this with CapCut, Premiere Pro, or even free tools like vidIO. So you're actually not creating videos from scratch. You're transforming long podcasts, gaming streams, or YouTube videos into viral shorts, which creators can post and grow. They pay you for this time-saving service. So let's talk now about why use Whop for clipping. Whop is a marketplace for digital services, including clipping services. It's easy to set up a storefront without building a website, and it has integrated payment systems so you can get paid securely, and buyers are actively looking for clipping services on Whop. Instead of struggling to find clients, Whop gives you your exposure. You don't need to worry about payment processors, contracts, or awkward DMs. Your storefront handles everything. Okay, so how about the tools that you need? The editing tools, you only need CapCut, that is free and is available on mobile and desktop. You can also use VN Editor or Premiere Pro if you already use it. Google Drive or Dropbox for delivering clips are essential. Whop account to list your service. And this one is optional, but you can use Canva for simple text overlays and thumbnails. These are lightweight tools, don't overcomplicate it. You only need your laptop and internet to start. Now that you know all the basics, let's set up your Whop store. First, sign up on whop.com. Then click on Create Listing, then choose Services. Use your title as TikTok and Shorts clipping service for creators. Put in a description, let's say who is it for, and what do you do, and the delivery time. After that, you need to put on your pricings. For example, starter 3 clips for $15, or standard 10 clips for $40, or premium 25 clips for $80. After that, upload a clean thumbnail and sample clip showcasing your style. Set up payout like PayPal, bank transfer, or crypto if needed, and you should be all done. The storefront becomes your mini agency hub. Buyers can purchase directly and get you notified instantly. Now you need to know how to find your clients. Your first option is use Whop's organic traffic. Optimize your title and description with keywords like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, clipping, viral edits, and so on. And update your listing regularly. The second option is DM small podcasters or YouTubers. I can help you grow on TikTok with engaging clips from your episodes. Want me to send a free sample? Or join the Discord communities of creators and offer a free clip. Your third option is leverage Reddit. Share your Whop link that offers beta testing to gather testimonials. Don't just wait for buyers to come to you. The fastest way to get sales is to proactively reach out and provide value first. Now, let me provide you with editing tips to make clips go viral. My first advice is to use fast cuts to keep attention. So for example, every 5 seconds, use a new cut. And add dynamic captions. CapCut auto-captioned with highlights, for example. Zoom in and out to empathize reactions. Cut filler words and slow segments. Start with the hook, within the first 1 second to get the attention of the viewer. Use trending sounds when possible. Your goal isn't just to clip randomly, it's to find the most engaging moments that stop scrolling. Watch podcasts or videos at 1.5 speeds, mark high energy reactions or controversial statements, and clip those. Your next part is delivering to clients and upselling. Deliver clips in MP4 format, ideally vertical, 1080 x 1920 ratio. Use Google Drive or Dropbox link and Whop delivery chat. Offer packages like I can handle you weekly clips to post constantly. And upsell, thumbnail design, scheduling posts, and repurposing for YouTube Shorts. Once you deliver, ask for feedback and testimonials. This will help you build your credibility, leading to more organic buyers. Now for the last part, let's talk about how much can you earn. Pricing varies, but typically it's $5 to $10 per clip if starting, $50 to $150 per week per client for bulk packages, and some clip editors make $500 to $1,000 per month just by doing this part-time for a few clients. The key is consistency and finding 3 to 5 recurring clients. Once you systemize your workflow, this becomes an easy, scalable income stream. And by the way, don't think you are too late for this. Now is the best time to start, and I'll tell you why. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Most people watch these videos, take notes, and then do nothing. These keep looking for the perfect skill or perfect time to start. But the truth, there will never be a perfect moment. The short-form video market is exploding right now. Creators are looking for help right now. Even if you don't feel ready, you can learn and earn at the same time while improving your editing skills and building your online income. Think about it. Instead of scrolling TikTok for free, you can get paid to watch content and clip for creators. Instead of overthinking, just sign up, list your service, and send out your first outreach message. It doesn't matter if it's messy at first. What matters is that you start. So I say it again. If you want to start making money online with clipping, now is the best time. The short form market is booming and creators need help. Sign up on Whop, set up your store, and start clipping your way to your first dollar online. If you found this guide valuable, drop a like and subscribe for more ways to earn online. And let me know in the comments if you want a detailed tutorial on editing viral clips efficiently. And in the meantime, stay focused and I'll see you in the next one.